An internal link is how you link to another section inside the same page. Whereas other links from one page to another page or one site to another site, this links directly to content that is still on that same page. Essentially, it lets you scroll down or scroll back up to wherever that content may be. I'm going to provide an example here. It says, click this link, and instead of adding a website or a web page or a file like index.html, we're going to add $, commonly known as a hashtag now, and we're just going to call this link1. And I'm going to create just some empty space here. And this is going to allow us to scroll down our page for quite a while. Now to preview this, you can see that my scroll bar showed up. I have the link at the very top, and if I scroll down, I'm still scrolling. At the very bottom it says more content here. Now the link at the top, when I click it, nothing happens. But in the URL bar, it has our code.html file. That's the file that I'm currently writing right now. Then it has the $, or the hashtag, $, which means that this is trying to link to a certain piece of content in this page, and it's trying to find the link1 piece. But when I click it, nothing happens. So what we do is we create another link, but this time we use the name attribute. And we don't necessarily need to have any content inside of it, but this one's just going to be called link1. So when I click this, it highlights up here as well. Demonstrates that link1 up here is the same as link down there. The internal link needs to have your hashtag in front of it, and the link where it's going to go to does not have that. It also does not have the href. It has nothing else in it. In fact, you won't even be able to see it. So when we go back to our page, and I refresh, and now I click this link, it's going to scroll all the way down. Now it's trying to bring this to the very top of the page, and a good way to demonstrate that is to simply take more extra white space, throw it at the bottom of where our content is, save it. I'm going to refresh the page. I'm going to click this link just once more, and it brings me to the more content area. Now I can scroll up and down, it's all on the same page, but we have successfully created a link that does not go off of this page. Instead, it links to content inside of this page. So your task for this video is to create an internal link, link it to another hyperlink inside the same document, like what I did. Open the document in your browser, click your link, and make sure that it worked.